我走，我吃。What I just did， 比划。哦，真的吗？看来我们拜佛拜对了。Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ting. Today we will keep talking about those interesting Chinese expressions. I've prepared 4 words and expressions. Number 1, body language. How would you say that? 肢体语言 in textbooks. And we say 比划。我走，我想，我吃。What I just did， 比划。2, high class people. How would you say it? We say 大咖，大 big, 咖 from casting, a big room. Successful people, very important people, very famous people. 大咖。For example, 哎，知道吗？今天来的这些可都是大咖。3, reliable. 可靠 in textbooks. And we say 靠谱。Is it reliable? 靠不靠谱啊？靠不靠谱啊？真的吗？靠不靠谱啊？哎，上次你说的那件事靠不靠谱啊？靠不靠谱啊？ If you can pronounce R 化音, you got 5 points more. Last one. It seems like we asked the right person. We say, 看来我们拜佛拜对了。看来我们拜佛拜对了。看来 it seems like 我们 we us 我们拜 is to pray 佛 Buddha 拜佛拜对了 found the correct Buddha. What will happen? Your dream will come true. The things you ask, the things you request will come true. It seems we asked the right person. 看来我们拜佛拜对了。刘总同意了。哦，真的吗？看来我们拜佛拜对了。Okay, that's everything I want to share today. I really hope you enjoy. Tell me what do you think, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.